Hakuna Matata, my country people are throwing a big salute for us today. You feel call me Michael, call me Congo Saman, but when I know so we always come for Chidon. Prepare for give that a small Congo Sa will happen for outside where all man don't turn the confused, they don't know where they go. Turn, look now go na for chapter for this Anglophone crisis for chapter way. Go na the talk to this na 11 people, foreign media they knock to the talk to this so na 15, 17 people don't sleep till like roller. Other human they talk to this so na 32 people don't die for Northwest and South for this chapter, so all man don't turn and talk to so who go hear the right figure now for who. So when they say Kito, they don't die. So the thing don't turn to be confused for chapter for the one with Chakara to take una go for that side for Boya. For take side show how come it don't come back for inside time for Limbe, even though transport boards they never start make to carry me, I carry you, but taxi, one or car, they take side so secret, but for that time for Kumbutu, tension still there inside down because boys them they don't come out, run go hide now for books, some people they sleep now for books, you can't say you come for down, you now wait here, you shake, I shoot down there for food, even though people then too they take control for lost their life for inside this one, so go take no two, we don't forget for talk about Mayor Yembe, first deputy mayor for that side for New Way East. Solo a best certificate for Sika City. So when you be there for take it for do for bring either for BB or for Shisom because they carry the one common way it die for roto for chapter for this one so we is solo a best certificate yesterday. So we'll talk about all this wonderful and terrible country that happen for inside this country. Then we'll take una to go for that for Bello. For Boyo, take the rework and see how the town for us even come for Kumbu, then even to for Bamenda. New one I don't come on and say any man will get satellite dish for on top of head house, even for Manfe. Boah. They enter sometimes Chakra and as people in the conference completely they enter, broke the house and Chakra and thing destroy away, shoot people in there for food, so all the one and so control. So we'll come back with all that kind of story for take make one note to it happen for outside for chapter for this trouble for inside this country they will take one to go South Africa, see how much possibly takes size to happen for that side for better way. We'll take one to talk about how Cameroon Kiture to don't allow put hand for some belly from Dongfa where they work for inside water where it carry about 800,000 liters for petrol, so when they catch you, they work and sell petrol illegal, even though now the very small authority into they buy the very petrol work as supply for inside Cameroon, so they catch and for that side bring even so once so time when they catch and so on, but Sika say Chokonova pass. Immediately the Chokonova reach for the one way they want time now the president know better than they add them gallon because time we catch that kind of they take so add you gallon for that side will take una worker, other one them two will take una two. Go to that side for marketing, talk how control take side for people for that side, even for talk about national cup for swimming people they do swimminology. For Douala for inside Douala 5 it be with trouble who go for the state and allow police they come down, calm most population and calm most any idea who go must struggle to solve this population, solve this trouble for inside this country. Call me Michael, call me Congo Saman. As I come back, we go enter for that story proper. Trouble for 1st of October, people the thing see continue say can reach for today, so we comparing for outside things yesterday they don't the one that say this wahala where they come out for celebrate their independence, they begin with them catching bufonyas, but for francophone side them for Douala Yaoundé, LDPC where rapper it make mass passing, no man no whip them or give catching bufonyas. Now how the things takes happen way their own now it don't continue. Kitu the way they be saying for same they take side so for secure them for that side for same they no broke something me they match for better way, but now can't reach today they receive beat people them. Now come even shoot that for food so control move run to bring with some 1 or 2 email for that for talk about how this thing happened, but they shoot people on live bullet. So they tell you so Cameroon, I mean I say they don't get this plastic bullet for take side frightened population because that way here to oh boy, you refer land for that, they don't shoot even innocent people so that takes up away the you go on for that for month away, plenty people don't lose their life, but the exact figure now way the strong now for can allow for succeed for get and so even for that for month to read the work or two for security so they don't kill some Kiture and for that side now we don't make an army that head they don't Kiture with the beat and the head don't craze for that side and the work now any man where they see with the we put antenna for on top house they broke the antenna so one they destroy television for that side man and say now on this so that trouble now or the only one for intimidate the population the way they take side for them for that side for northwest and southwest on how the thing takes side for happen. So when I see how confident will mommy them papa them. So you most of young boys them able boys them so they don't run enter for bush but someone they see them for inside compound the way they come now so find and catch them for whip for that so all my don't turn the confused for inside this one. So I was like take una two correct see how the thing happen for this trouble will go on for inside this we country. So Rolando, can we go to that side for Bello how confident for that side they come out they make their own small match passing even though before Kito the one come they walk at two pictures for that picking they don't catch and two go lock and for that side they for that side for Yaoundé for prison. So every parents why they don't allow them for that they go sit on a small hotel for that side they try to come they know when I come with any idea when I don't make when I cry no matter how I did the whole world now so the year even though Papa Popo never give internet again. If internet forgive access, sometimes they don't know the number. If it be easy for do calculation, we the common for that side for that side for Bello, make their own match passing. Due to this, para internet we will show the city come back with the image for that side for Bamen that we picking them to for that side. All man are indoors, even though yesterday again another magic tonton solo a better created so 280. She shoot people and so for food so all my answer. It's kind of so that 1st of October. It is still continue today for number 2, number 3 day. Now question mark. Somebody will turn and say so. Till they go return to normal. Now when? Now for the big question mark. It takes time to enter for this one. So I have to say so. Monday we give for being a country Sunday. All the one for that side to con people. Maybe they want for Texas show now how the thing takes happen. Land. It's going to get email for some use them for that side for Kumwe run town. They leave the none of a bush. I didn't leave the none of a bush. So if they just see young boy for inside town, they start whip you. You know, say Mayor Yembe so Allah that's not chapter of the one way motor is circulate. But even though we get small to for us, I say Kitu them they see they park for different land. But what if you see one Okada, you go through. So he pass enter the house. He start off and the wrong way never bush. You see town, I come town that for down. They say now that they leave the Navo bush or so they refuse when they want to go down for town, they go take so catch and they don't catch plenty put into take so lock the way they take Garena only for windows so chapter for this trouble so con people. Who come over that side so Masalola, if you bring me a picture for that side for first deputy mayor for that side for do way it takes side solo it best certificate yesterday way all that put they talk according to some close sources for that side it is on gas even though mayor he held no be they fight say some people they don't they now we no even they for kind and go was Peter because they be throw tear gas anyhow it enter put the house now way they make go na the gas of suffocate mayor they want carry same they rush go and for that side for Kumbu for Wasapita now way is solo a best certificate for road that's way all my Mr. Mayor, so rest in perfect. Thank you, my brother, for take side answer for saying me mayor take side so work for better way so we say so now so the trouble so you don't allow solo man no say Congo to the work I say so someone commandant the brigade for that side for do say you do it take side to solo a best certificate for chapter for small jam your own for that side for do so control continue now for Toronto bring me for Boya for that side for Southwest even though for Limbe come to them for my four jiggy to be there where they so knock boys and whip boys and carry them molest people and carry and go lock up for that side for for big camp for that side they talk about they don't carry more than 1,000 put them for that side for boy 1, 2, 3 motor if you see the path circulate even though when they see taxi they say yes now mayor taxi them they say now Oga mayor came my taxi they will be buy and say so if taxi men them they close the whole town you said if taxi men they will begin work as circulate and for that side they work I use that my 17 pack that all side they come not transport bus you need to make travel go in camp small people they don't go block for that side for Southwest they didn't time but is that come to any idea they don't dirty the whole town, dirty stone them. Is that come to come on the work a clean away? Oh man, they will say maybe by tomorrow, sometime they go return to normal way activity if you go because some people down hungry enough for us. No money to go farm, no money if you go buy, no money if you open shop, no money if you do nothing. Even for poor credit, you don't say this my neighbor they do call box. I go neighbor. Neighbor will do how? Give me some more credit. Me have you travel call my brother then whether how the other side they. But now any man will get any satellite dish for on top of his house. But nobody say Kitu they don't go. That's why they show worker left and right. When they hear say so 3, 4, 5 people around the guard of some place. One time telephone door ring. Hello, side. And they talk about Frenchy. One time they run go for that side for struggle. So we helicopter too. It work make to it look. Now one shake I shoot. Now one shake make it do it. Make it take side to shoot for that side for boy so control so that so try the thing to take side happen for inside this country. Rolando, go carry we go back for Sunday for that side for South Africa. I'm gonna see how the thing takes happen even though for America, South Africa, Germany, Anglophone they for that side they come out they say no any idea. If the thing not be so, if they not fit celebrate am for northwest and southwest, for Douala Yaoundé they celebrate and make match passing. Then for South Africa too they will do how? Rolando, press button. They make match passing. Rolando, just go figure the image for that side for South Africa. When I take see how the thing happen for inside this country, so they do that whole match passing for that side for South Africa, match for better way, match for Germany, match doing for that side for France, so they come out for do their own small by map for so they support the struggle for inside this side. So Rolando, let's go figure the image for that side. Okay, Roland said so machine no allow so Roland have machine solo that thing. Okay, we come up for that side to control now gonna to this time around so for talk about this wonderful and terrible kind of things so for new palaver. Roland, if you bring me the image and way you don't be ready for that side so for talk about the new bridge for Bunabedi. This morning time Bunabedi people then say so traffic na history. Eh? Say traffic because that new bridge they don't open one side, so it means the motorway they enter for inside Douala, they partner through the new bridge, motorway they come out, they pass the old bridge. So that new Wuri bridge, that new bridge from Kunkuma where they don't decide to make a statement, Bunabedi people they don't suffer again. They don't open, so traffic they don't turn on a history, we don't know. But for that side for Bunabedi, for that side for Kadetage, for that place they make that small exchange, for that side they walk to it, they go for that side, they never make second road the way motor fit pass traffic where they Bunabedi na They say traffic, they don't reduce and for bridge. Now, they don't allow now block and for for Bunabedi. So they walk, they need to prepare secondary road them. Need a corner road where if it takes us so pass back road, so now walk the street control for that side for Wuri bridge this morning time where they open the road then where Bunabedi say at least it don't even better small. We can use quarter back road them. Takes time to for go for walk so and it takes time how this thing they happen for inside this country, but they walk to the street control for that side for better way, even though time to it don't take time to catch them for that side control. So you were one cross Wuri bridge now. At least if you try, but we don't know whether sometimes then like Friday, so Monday, then so whether the traffic physical hollow, but at least now the road is the part, it is circular with taxi men and two. They happy, They happy say at least now if you carry one passenger across, even two passenger across because first time you get and you load Bunabedi na 400, 500 because they go commotion for on top bridge to say on the small short place so we put them down the weight and say since where they finish the one side, why they no want open and when they walk road they need to prepare secondary road. When they walk, they don't even care. They say the population now waiting. They don't even think about them. How they could take time for manage their own contribute their own this one so for inside this side so for Douala. So how all manner the textile glass at least they don't finish one side. Maybe they even became used and so for say any journal in the part it can't film for say maybe the textile make country textile no say this so you walk to they go for better way. But the wait, Chantel see go on. Rolando. More come for that side, take side this side, bring with that belly from Dogo far away. Cameroon Marine, it don't do better work. It takes time, so put hand for this one. They require say this ship so, now some ship where they catch and where it come for that side for Nigeria. It carry that belly so it that ship carry na petrol for inside. It means if you pass for that side with the cigar or matches, hey. Now Marine never Cameroon with the army they don't do this work. They don't carry this motor for that side for Limbe water where it work and sell petrol. You know say petrol where they enter Cameroon now, He passed the hours from another producer because they buy and cheap and say this petrol so this ship so it carry about 820,000 liters for petrol, but they catch it for that way only the one we don't remember about 1,200 liters for that one. 120,200 liters for petrol. We don't remember for inside the ship for that side. So this ship so you come for that side for Lagos. I said on the inside water when you come, you stand with your gallon, then they pump and one time you carry and go so one will say so they don't catch them, can't show up for authorities and so for say so this ship even get even one paper where give authorization for say maybe can work and sell this thing for inside water where they work and they make and they produce petrol. They don't even say them because they sell them for cheap price. Now where you go for corner road and outside you see petrol 500, 450, 475 cents. Mango so said for they say they buy 1 liter for 200, 225 cents. 250. Then when they come now for 1 cent and sell for 450, 475, 500, they still gain again plenty money. Add plus their transport so they take say how this thing takes happen for inside this country that they can't show for population. Now in that we don't catch them. You see the thing they use and transport and they transport the petrol. From here, transport gas, put every other one load and for container them. Use 90 bed. If small sparks so enter the one time, they were yesterday so the ship not explode for inside water. Come for that so continue now to so come back for Douala Littoral. For Chakala Tori for Douala, you go talking about this national cup for people where they do swimology. pikin, woman, big boy, and trouble be coming for that side for inside Douala 5 where Gustav a banana male for Douala 5 go for that side for say this so he want go enjoy swimmingology for see how pikin dey swim and who go take first. Trouble who come to na police the Alaska for that side can come and say this so over say na 4 years this way the pikin them never do it, they never do cup, they never do competition where they spend money for training the pikin them, control the pikin for better way. So take trouble who come way I the commotion of physical palavanchu. They say when they take money, other man, you know, it's not corruption, no? When they take money, they have money for competition. Now money go put out cup. Now money for organization. Big man go say, I get my own small one for day. I need to take small, it take plenty. They go say get small. Then the other small big one go say, me take your own small one too for day. I go take too big. Before the money go want to put they do the organization, do the competition. They don't cut the money when I say, okay, go say, but I work as a because when I share, when I can't go there, I don't know what they want with the argue. So yeah, I will make sure say meeting the work after when I go swim. Yeah, my way carry first. It go take big cup. Yeah, I will just a bunch for inside. Yeah, I don't know what yeah. All thing go work for that side to the Alaska gendarme with police for that side for September. They come for that side can carry them say no when I carmos any idea when problem they when I say country no they find now we must struggle she don't quiet struggle see how we go solve a moon and not fight and not doing yawa for inside this one so that matter catch me now when I put my hand up if I did talk through when I want put my hand up when I put that if I did talk through when I want put my hand up when I put them for say when I tell me go look I don't talk my true the truth so it make you because no time man talk through for the country they put it for back yes. They just put it for back counter yourself. You can take Gary for windows so see. But at last they allow to do the competition. It takes a work for better way. The so after the one the chicken don't get where they go. She don't hold on for make sure say so. May they arrange this one for better way. We continue take when I go for that side for Boyo. Mo come for that side so Masarulan. Take we go to that side for Boyo division for that side for Mezam for talk about installation for Dio Mr. Tamusa. Mr. Tamusa for that side they put it as new Dio for that side for Fon Foka. For that type of boom, either way, it takes time she don't take over as new Geo with the chapter for Christ the way picking them two, they don't go school, they can't for city so when they say class and two, they will go on for that time for better for Foka, they can she don't see how they insert that new Ogadio in a senior divisional officer for Boyo na he come take secretary put cap for headway Juju, So they want a woman to do they come and dance on the house. They come on that side, dance mom but you dance they wait them for rotating for that side. They tell they come to go back with the 1 foul with the 20-liter matango. Why stop? They come for that side. Do it, put car for that new deal. See this one now you get for take over, I get for make sure this palaver Christ them will do picking again for go school, get for arrange for some meeting and work for better way for that side for phone focus so for inside Boyo division so come by at last the to figure the other image and how the installation takes time to work for that side for Boyo for better way or got you too. He talks say okay when I come go around here I'm gonna make sure say make I take so then work to for better when I need senior divisional officer for that's why for Boyo where it takes time so for do this work for better way put it for chest so go ahead work your own work you know say so the crisis that they go on you get for know how you get for manage and because for manage the population number easy task for that side but more here for Mr. Tumasa for that side make it tell we how it go take style so work the work for inside boom.
Boom be a nice place because any side of the same DCA boom be a nice place because any side of the same when the head of state don't give you that confidence to go to some place, you get to take all the assignment with all your heart and all the job. And I don't see place where you bad because every place you get its strength, you get its weakness, and you get for.
Thank you, Mr. Tumasa Waters, for that side. Now, he be new Oga quarter now. He get plenty work for that side for take side for manage a population. Come on for that side for Northwest, so come back for this side for Ambam for talk about vaccination campaign for Palava. This way, dog they carry. You say people they don't like for keep dog, keep pussy. But don't say dog and pussy. You need for two small mukenge for nyas. Like how you go vaccine picking. So especially people they put dog there, they need to wash them. They need to take care for the dog for that side. So announcement be go start by side. So campaign vaccination campaign we go for that time for Ambam. I may be free of charge. So they call all dog owner the animal carry and all the kind of for tricycle. The other man carry dog for city so make a chook small mukenge because so time we a dog go buy neighbor a picking. If neighbor a picking, he fall sick or he die, you used to say you give for bear the cross and carry them for hate so complete for sicker city so you never vaccinate your dog. So they try to educate people talk tell them what to be the good and the bad for dog. Yeah, they fine for keep them for us. But what to be the advantage for keeper and what to be thing we for the time we don't allow someone because now he too they guide for them for us with dog and too they come on they come other one come method dog way for other one method dog way who come back kind dog even bush dog the way they kind and go do hunting so any dog he fine for doing away veterinary say so he fine for do it for vaccinate dog because so sick dog they get some particular sick with this so when you don't contact even a human being the man some will allow die and die so when you get your dog make sure say me go small chuki small moking for city so me the dog to be for better way and any man we you know to come if some man die when they are dog now you they give for carry and go look and because so now you never take care for the animal for better way so on here the thing takes happen for that side for bam so con people. Now the small story that will take side gather and for that control anything happen for inside this country. Rolando na he take side for press button phone and see my eye shine so we Bivica Emmanuel the way he take side say this story the under touch camera so he say that handwork na the best and handwork na the best not Bivica na he take side talk that one so but then the Oga Patrick take side support and was meeting the work for better way me na Kungusa man I go come back again so for tomorrow again for say more chakala tori for better way but Mr. Wam say this so me man no miss am this worry me the supportive for that side for international so for chapter what no man for newsman call me the newsman Rolando I believe and so me I sing my newsman for that side.